Welcome to Module 2 for your AutoCAD tutorials. Today we're going to learn more about the Modified Toolbar, which is under the Home tab, which has tools like Move, Copy, Stretch, Rotate, Mirror, etc. Before we start this module, we're going to open a new file using our AutoCAD template that we created yesterday and save it as a Module 2 file. So we go to File, New, find the template we created yesterday, and then save as this file. So we go to File, Save As, and this is going to be a DWG file. We're going to save it as Module 2. I already have a Module 2 file, so I'm going to save it as Module 2A and click Save, and now we have a Module 2A drawing. To start using the Modified Toolbar, I have created a cube, or rather a square that is 2 inches by 2 inches using the rectangle command, and I'm going to use this cube to show you all the modified tools that are up here, like Move, Copy, Rotate, Mirror, etc. Most of the modified tools work the same way. There are a few that sort of work a little differently, but since you're just starting out in CAD, remember you want to pay close attention to the command prompt here, so that when CAD prompts you for the next step, you know where to go or what to do. Now, like I said, there are 3 ways of getting to any command. In AutoCAD, you can get to it from the ribbon, the menu bar, or the command prompt. So if you wanted to move an object, you can click on Move here, or you can go to the Modified Toolbar and click on Move there, or you can type M for Move in the command prompt and hit Enter. Same thing with Copy. You can click on Copy here, go to Modify and click on Copy there. The keyboard shortcut for Copy is CO. For Rotate, same process. Keyboard shortcut for Rotate is RO for Rotate. Now, when you execute a Modified Toolbar, when you click on Move, your cursor changes to a pick cursor. Now, for most of these tools, you'll have to click on the toolbar, select the object you want to modify. Once you have selected the object, you hit Enter on your keyboard or right-click on your mouse, which will indicate to AutoCAD that you have already selected the object and you're ready to move on. I'm going to set Move again, so you go to Move, select the object, hit Enter or right-click on your mouse, and then notice what the command prompt is telling you. It's saying specify base point or displacement. It's basically asking you, where do you want to move this object from? So I want to pick this box from here and move it along the horizontal axis here. Very easy. I can also pick it up, M for Move, pick it up from here, move it across this way. If my ortho is on, when I start my Move command, if my ortho is on, then when I pick the object, it'll only move in perfect straight lines horizontally and vertically. When polar is on, it can move across anywhere on the screen. Now, picking up and dropping an object is pretty easy, but if you have a specific dimension in mind, say you want to move this object 6 inches to the right, then you need to execute the Move command. Start the Move command, select the object and hit Enter. Pick the object up from the point where you want it to move by 6 inches. If you wanted to move it from the center, you would click on the center. If you wanted to move it from this point, you would click on this point. So I'm going to click on this end point here. Slide my mouse across to the right hand side, not clicking anywhere, and then type 6 and hit Enter, and my box is moved by 6 inches. If I wanted to move it back, I go back to Move, select the object, hit Enter, pick the base point, slide my mouse across. You want to make sure that ortho is turned on, so it's sliding along the straight line. 6 in the keyboard and hit Enter, and the box is moved back. Copy works the same way, except it's going to make a copy of this box now. So when I click on Copy, I'm going to select the object, hit Enter, select the base point, and then make a copy. And I can keep making any number of copies that I want, as many times as I want. Once I'm done making the desired number of copies, I hit Enter to stop the command. If I want to make a copy at a specific distance, just like moving something at a specific distance, copy works the same way. When you want to copy something at a certain distance away, you select the object, hit Enter, select the base point, move your mouse in the direction you want it to go, and then type the desired dimension, say 4 inches. and the box will be copied at 4 inches away from this base point. I can do the same thing along the horizontal axis. Select the box, hit enter, pick the base point, move your mouse in the direction you want to go and type, let's say 5 inches, and now the box is being copied by 5 inches over this side. I hit enter to stop the command. Rotate also works the same way. You click on rotate, keyboard shortcut is RO, select the object, hit enter, pick the base point, which could be this corner, which could be the center, and then you can rotate the box. And this is a square, it's not making any difference, and we have ortho turned on. If you turn polar on, and then you see it's going to rotate along the entire 360-degree angle. If you have a specific angle in mind, so you want to rotate it by 45, once you've selected the base point, you can type 45 and the box will be rotated at 45-degree angles. One more time, you go to rotate, pick the base point, and then you can rotate it. Let's do it at 35-degree angle this time, and there it is.